To remove the safety knuckle, firstly remove the shaft retainer bolt on the side of the coupler body. With a suitable pin punch, tap the shaft out completely from one side. This will allow the safety knuckle and spring to be removed. To install the safety knuckle kit, start with fitting the DU bushes. Slide the safety knuckle shaft through the DU bush from the left-hand side while slightly lifting the trigger, allowing the shaft to pass through. Position the shaft just proud of the trigger assembly. Add grease to the safety knuckle lobe and hold the knuckle in position, ensuring the correct orientation. Slide the shaft partially through the knuckle, which will now hold this in place. Rotate the safety knuckle by hand and position the safety knuckle coil spring with the short leg resting on the knuckle. Holding the spring in place, press downwards, releasing the knuckle, and then tap the shaft through to the other side. Apply Loctite to the shaft retainer bolt, tighten and torque to the recommended specifications.